Hi, welcome back to Core. Remember yesterday we talked about the senses and how they're so amazing. Today we're going to talk about the sense of sight, okay? So watch these pictures as I'm talking so you can learn. Have you ever heard people say, look before you leap? They are warning you to be careful and think through things before you act. Look before you leap is a saying that makes a lot of sense because every day we use our eyes to look at the ground ahead of us before we walk, run, or leap. Imagine how much more dangerous it would be to do these things with your eyes closed. Our sense of sight helps keep us safe. Your eyes help protect the rest of your body, too. Protect means to keep something safe from harm. They help you to avoid bumping into things or tripping or falling as you move. You use your eyes to look both ways before you cross the street. But while your eyes are busy protecting you, what's busy protecting your eyes? Now listen closely and you'll learn more about the body parts that work together to keep your eyes safe. You might not be able to tell when you look in a mirror, but in fact, your eyes are round like balls. That is why they're called eyeballs. Each of your eyeballs is about as big and almost as round as a normal-sized gumball or a marble, about an inch across. But your eyeballs aren't hard like gumballs. They're actually squishy like gummy bears. Do you like gummy bears? They are set into holes in your head called eye sockets so that they won't get dirty or poked. Okay, so this is showing your eyeball. Your eyelids are little pieces of skin that come down over your eyeballs when you close your eyes or blink. Even when you're not trying to, your eyes blink automatically every few seconds in order to keep your eyeballs moist. The long hairs on your eyelids are called eyelashes. They help brush away dirt before it can get in your eyes. And your eyebrows, the hair just above your eyes, are important too. They help keep water and sweat from flowing down into your eyeballs. Okay, so what they're saying is our eyelids help us protect our eyeballs because you can close your eyes. If you get dirt thrown in your eyes, you can close your eyes so the eyelids will protect your eyeballs. Also, your eyelashes help too to keep the dirt out of your eyes. And then your eyebrows, when you get sweaty or if you get water or something on you, then your eyebrows can stop the water from going right into your eyes. So all the parts of our eyes are amazing. They help protect our eyeballs. Tears, the very same tears that come out when you cry, are very important to protect your eyes. Little tiny tear ducts in the corners of your eyes release the tears, which keeps your eyes moist and helps wash your eyes when irritating objects, such as dirt or small bugs. All these body parts, eyelids, eyelashes, eyebrows, tear ducts, eye sockets, do their part to protect your eyes from getting hurt from the outside. But eyes need to be protected from the inside too. Luckily, eyes can protect themselves with the help of two inside parts of the eye, the iris and the pupil. Okay, here's all the eye parts. All of these parts are really important to keep your eyeball safe. Look at your friend's eyes or someone around you, maybe your brother or your sister, maybe your mom or your dad. See the little black dot right in the middle? It looks like a dot, but it's actually a hole. That is called the pupil, and that is where the light comes into the eye. Okay, you see the little black right here? It's called the pupil, the inside, the very middle part of your eye. The black dot is called the pupil. Look into the mirror or your mom or dad's eyes. What color do you see around the pupil? The colorful ring that surrounds the pupil is called the iris. Different people have different colored irises. The most common colors are brown, blue, green, but there are lots of different shades of eye color. You can have gray, light dark or brown, or greenish bluish eyes. The iris controls the amount of light that gets into the pupil. This is important because when you can hurt your eyes if too much light comes into them. When you turn down the lights in your room, your irises open up, which makes your black pupils bigger. This lets in more light and makes it easier to see. When you walk out in the sunlight, your irises close up around the pupils so that your pupils are very small and less light comes in. Whether your irises are blue, brown, or green, their job is to control how much light gets into the pupils. Be glad that your amazing eyes have all their parts, and know that they are always working hard to help you see the world around you. You can do your part too by trying not to put anything into your eyes that might harm them, especially your fingers. If you protect your eyes can do their best to protect you. The next time you hear someone say, "Look before you leap," tell your eyes a quiet thank you for helping to keep you safe. All right, the very inside part is called the pupil. The color is called the iris. Look how cool your eyes work when the sun is out. The pupil gets smaller. The iris helps the pupil get smaller so that less light will get into your eye. But when you turn off the lights or the moon comes out, the iris gets smaller, the pupil gets bigger, and then you can let more light into your eyes. Isn't that amazing? Things that we did not know that our eyes could do. We have amazing eyes that help us to see the beautiful world and help to keep our bodies safe. The different parts of the eye help to keep your eyeballs safe so that you can still see the beautiful world around us. Okay, we'll talk to you tomorrow.